Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to add or change password in iPhone iOS 18. First is go to your settings and then go to Touch ID and passcode and then enter your old passcode. And here below the option of the turn off passcode, or you can change your passcode. So if you want to turn off your passcode, you can just simply click on this one. And if you want to change your passcode, just simply click on the change passcode options below here. So you need to enter your old passcode. And then now you can proceed to enter your new passcode. So just make sure that you use a strong ones. And then verify your new passcode. And then that's it guys. I hope that this video helps you. And if it ever did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.